All right, guys, let's launch off. We are off to catch some fish. Off to catch them. What I like to throw in the garden fry is a lizard, which I don't have any, because I'm using LTV, and a frog. I like throwing frogs in the garden fry because frogs will eat their fry, lizards will eat their fry. Pretty much anything bulky, they're gonna eat because they think it's a predator to their fry. Like that one. Holy cow. That's insane. I was just right on that pillar of that seawall. Holy cow. I need to back off this wall. That was sweet. Oh, dang it. Dang it. The seawall is like a hot spot apparently. Maybe because they're spawning. Maybe because of fry are all along it. Nice little fat one right here. Nice little fat one. It's on that LunkerHunt Popping Frog. Very nice. It's a good fish. Good 2.5. See, that's why I wanted this. Oh yeah. Look at that hook set. Look at that lunker frog, guys. Lucky tackle box, look for it. Catch you some nice ones.